Buying Kaspa now is like buying Cardano in 2017. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris, and today we're about to see what's happening in the Kaspa price, what happened since yesterday from a price perspective, from a market cap perspective, from a rank perspective. Also, we're about to see what's happening in the hash rate, in the top addresses, in the technical side, because in the technical side, guys, the current situation, no matter that the red candle is like red, is looking bullish, okay, because it seems that we broke this massive resistance. If this daily red candle gonna flip into bullish, and actually I mean to be green, then we're gonna speak for very bullish situation for Kaspa, and especially if we're gonna see any boost from the Bitcoin price and the world crypto market to the upside, maybe we're gonna see a Kaspa into higher level from a price action. I mean, so on this video we're about to see all of these things, and I'm gonna close the video why buying today Kaspa is like buying Cardano in 2017. So if you're interested to know all of these things, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before continue, I would like to clarify you that I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever that you are going to see on this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment. And guys, if you are Kaspa enthusiast, Kaspa holder, or Kaspa investor, I recommend you to subscribe to my channel, because daily I upload videos around Kaspa where I try to educate you and inform you with the latest news around the Kaspa. So as you understand, it's going to be very beneficial to know the news and the educational stuff by first hand. And also do not forget to check my Patreon group, because here you're about to find my private Telegram community where you're gonna have access to speak with me 24/7. You can ask me absolutely everything on this group. I'm gonna be there for you to reply your concerns and your questions. Also in that group we have lots of multimillionaires and lots of guys with very high experience into the crypto space. And guys, the family there is growing, and I'm very glad for that. Also, you're about to find my crypto portfolio here. You're gonna see exactly how I handle my crypto portfolio, as the experience that I have got behind my back since 2016. I was crypto investor since 2016, and simultaneously you're about to see my buy signals, take profit signals, and sell signals in real time. So as an overall, if you're looking to build connections, to have fun, to upgrade your knowledge, and obviously make gains, this Patreon group is for you, and I'm waiting to see you there. And without losing more time, let's get back to the video and start with our typical update, what's happening in the Kaspa price, ranked and market cap. Guys, Kaspa is starting at 0.035 cents. Before a couple hours, we saw Kaspa at 0.036 cents and above that price, which is super bullish because it seems that we broke this massive resistance, and we're gonna get back to the technicals in a few. Guys, market cap is starting at $724 million, which is screaming accumulation zone. I hope you already do your dollar cost average, because guys, the pump above 4 cents is going to happen almost instantly, and there is a big probability to do not get under 4 cents if we're going to break the resistance 0.042 cents. So the best thing to do not lose the train is to do dollar cost average. Okay, some people are getting wrecked because they are waiting to see very low price, which sometimes these prices are impossible because these people don't rely on fundamentals. Okay, they rely only in technicals, and that's the biggest mistake. To be more precise around a price prediction or what you are expecting as the next move, you should always consider the fundamentals. Okay, fundamentals are always stronger than technical. And an example for that is, let's say we have here the most bearish spot in Kaspa. If Kaspa tomorrow will be listed into Binance, no matter how bearish is going to be the chart, the price of Kaspa will pump. Okay, because the price is correlated with supply and demand, and when we have more demand and the supply is fixed, the price is skyrocketing. Anyway, we're also going to see these things in a very few. Ranked remains 4-1, which for those who know, and as I say every day, it's astonishing because Kaspa is not backed by big major exchanges, and if Kaspa will be backed by all exchanges and it's gonna be like a main crypto like Ethereum, like Cardano, like Dogecoin, guys, definitely you're about to see Kaspa in top under top 20, maybe under top 15 if it's gonna be incorporated in all exchanges. So as you understand, even without being backed in the majority of the exchanges, Kaspa is at 51 ranked, top 51 coins, and that's the power of community. Okay, people actually investing heavily, and even the diamond hands that we have right now are investing very big amounts in Kaspa because they see the potential of Kaspa. Okay, especially if you are old crypto OG, you can understand some differences within Kaspa and other layer ones. So you understand that Kaspa is the next Ethereum, the next Bitcoin, and I say the next Bitcoin and the next Ethereum or the next Cardano due to the path of the growth. Okay, it's not actually equal. Kaspa is Kaspa. It's not like the Ethereum killer. These are actually only titles that we give just to make people to start realizing about this crypto, where it's going. But in reality, Kaspa is Kaspa. Nothing is even comparable at Kaspa. Kaspa is 100 steps forward, especially with hard forks that are gonna come, like Rustlang, where we're gonna actually flip from Golang to Rustlang. Guys, Kaspa scalability is gonna be astonishing. While we have the same destabilization as Bitcoin and even more robust security than Bitcoin due to the exploitation of the orphan blocks. So that's what I would like to tell you here. Let's move to the technicals because, guys, technicals looking really bullish. Okay, someone will say yes, but right now the daily candle is red, and yes, I agree with that. The daily candle is red, but there is a massive probability until we're gonna close this daily candle to see this daily candle green. Okay, especially with any price of Bitcoin to the upside. If Bitcoin right now is gonna get straight to $26,000 or $26,400, I'm expecting to see Kaspa back to 0.037 cents, and that's gonna be super bullish. Let's see how we're gonna close, guys, this daily candle, because if this daily candle gonna close green, and with green I say bro above 0.036 cents, that's gonna be also bullish, and I'm gonna be happy to see like 0.037 cents because that's from a technical side. It's gonna look a confirmation of a breakout. Okay, so let's see what's about to happen here. As you can clearly see, we bounce, it seems at least we bounce from this massive support of 0.033 cents, and if we're gonna see finally this rally straight into the next price target, which is this one, the 0.042 cents, where we have here a significant resistance. Guys, it's gonna happen the scenario that I told you, that it was so difficult to break this insane big support that is forming back from June in this upturn movement. And right now, let's say the other scenario too, the worst case scenario, where actually we won't see this green candle and we're gonna get back and break this massive support. Guys, I have told you that because the fundamentals, because the lots of diamond hands that we have, the majority of big investors that we have behind Kaspa, they are not planning to sell anytime soon. They're gonna sell maybe in 2025 to take some profits and get back into bear market. So if the worst case scenario is going to happen, I'm expecting a drop to 3 cents as the first start point, and the worst case scenario is going to be the 0.027 cents because this is a very major it was a very major resistance, which right now it's going to retest it as a support, and maybe at this area of 0.027 cents it's going to retest it the 200 daily moving average. So that's why if we're gonna get to the worst case scenario, I believe we are about to retest the 200 daily moving average, and we're gonna bounce from that point, because if you also see here, we bounced at that first signal that I gave in 200 daily moving average. Okay, the first happened here and the second happened approximately here, and then we saw the rally. Anyway, guys, this is exactly what I would like to tell you from the technical side. I explained every possible scenario from where we are standing right now. And right now, let's move into the hash rate, where, as you can clearly see, we are at 17 petahash per second. And guys, that's bullish. Obviously, before a couple hours, we saw even higher than that, 17.6, if I don't do any mistake, petahash per second, which is quite bullish. And also, the next reduction is in 3 days. So miners will need to keep Kaspa to be profitable and keep the profitability in a long run. So that's why I love a lot the mission plan of Kaspa. Okay, they don't allow to ASIC miners to actually sell. But even if they're gonna sell, gonna impact a very little percent of the Kaspa price, because the majority of the Kaspa coins, guys, is out. The majority of the total supply is out by GPU miners. The people who are actually right now telling you that ASIC's gonna dump the price back to 1 cent, they don't have that much experience to understand how these things are working. Okay, and let's move into the addresses, guys. Today we saw one more whale back. We lost approximately one SARC, and the rest categories are actually accumulating. And as you can clearly see, Mixi today bought some more Kaspa. KuCoin, it seems that either sold or either withdrew. Get.io, it seems that bought some couple Kaspa, and the other approximately whales remain the same. Nothing significant changes into the top 10 addresses. And guys, let's move in. And right now, guys, let's go straight into the main topic of the video. Buying Kaspa today is like buying Cardano in 2017. Obviously, here the winner, the clear winner by huge difference, guys, is Kaspa. It's not comparable level Cardano with Kaspa. Kaspa is way better, is way superior for many reasons than Cardano. But I would like to show you how the market cycles goes into a project like Cardano, because Cardano was supposed to be Ethereum killer. And as you can clearly see, Cardano existed since 2017. It was actually one of the coins that I had in my portfolio in 2016, 2017, where when I was accumulating Bitcoin and some other altcoins, and I saw in front of my eyes Cardano exploding back in the days up to 25 billion in the first bull run in 2017. Okay, which was astonishing back in the days to see Cardano at 25 billion. Obviously, I didn't have the experience to take profits of Cardano at the peak, or I didn't have, to say that more specifically, I didn't have any kind of exit plan in my strategy. I was completely beginner, so I sold way lower Cardano and I took profit way later. Okay, because I didn't have a plan. That's why I'm telling you that the Patreon group, if you don't have this experience and this expertise, is here to help you how to buy and how to actually sell, and more general, how to build a proper investing mindset in the crypto space. This is why I have here the group. And guys, I would like to show you in comparison Kaspa with Cardano, just to show you how the market cycle goes. You can clearly see Cardano enter approximately, it was before the rally of the Buran, it was approximately in the same market cap as Kaspa. And here I would like to tell you that I won't show you prices back in the days, because Cardano at these days had way less total supply. Okay, so it's not the same. For example, with the current supply, if Cardano gonna get back to 700 million market cap, the price gonna get way lower than it was back here, because back then, guys, the supply was far less. It's all about supply and demand. The market cap is actually the demand, and the total supply is the supply that you should look like. And to find the price, that's why always I'm telling you to rely on market cap and not that much in the price. This is a completely beginner mistake, because guys, if you divide the market cap with the total supply, you're gonna find the price. Okay, and that's why I had told you here into the chart of Kaspa that the first rally of Kaspa at 42 cents, it was not the same with the second rally at 42 cents. And let's say to the second rally at 42 cents, okay, it wasn't the same, because here we had far less supply. Okay, and here we had far more. supply. And to say with numbers, here we had approximately 19 to 20 billion total supply, and here we had 16 to 17 billion. So to get here at 0.042 cents, we will need more market cap, more demand. Okay, and for those who don't know, Kaspa emission plan is accelerating very, very fast. That's why Kaspa, where it's starting at rank 41, it shows massive power because simultaneously with supply, we have more demand. And that's the astonishing. So, Cardano, as you can clearly see, guys, it had a all-time high at 25 billion, which was crazy. In 2017, Cardano had 25 billion market cap. And for the people who say that Kaspa will get only 30 billion, 50 billion in 2025, it's ridiculous. Okay, because back then, when actually Cardano had 25 billion market cap, the total crypto market cap all-time high was 1 trillion and something. And here, where Cardano had close to 95 billion market cap, guys, the total crypto market cap was 3 trillion. So the next bull run, we're about to see 10 trillions. And I'm expecting to see from Kaspa 200 billion. And some people call me crazy for these predictions. And guys, you're gonna see by yourself that these predictions are too conservative, and there is a probability to get in the first bull run of Kaspa way higher. And I will make you a comparison very fast with Cardano, guys. Cardano, to see the difference and realize why Kaspa is far better. Cardano right now is actually proof of stake coin. It had pre-distribution coins, okay, pre-allocation. It had pre-allocation coins to the members, to the venture capitalists. It's supposed to be decentralized, but it's not decentralized due to the proof of stake. Proof of stake is the power of the rich guys. It's very similar situation with the governments and banks. All of these systems that we already have, this is actually the same, with the proof of stake. Only the rich people can decide for the future of Cardano, which is something that doesn't happen in Kaspa. Kaspa is way more secure. It's 100% decentralized, exactly as Bitcoin, because it has built up on Nakamoto consensus. It has proof of work, which means it's not backed by thin air, it's backed by energy. And proof of stake, it means that it's backed by their own coins from the project, I mean, which is thin air. It doesn't have any actual value. That's why actually the SEC doing the lawsuits to all of these projects of proof of stake, because it looks scammy. Maybe it's not, but maybe it is. So that's why these lawsuits are happening by the SEC in these proof of stake projects. And from the other side, Kaspa has proof of work, which means that has value behind all of this process. And also, guys, the proof of work brings the democracy into the table. Every person has the opportunity to participate into the network. And also, Kaspa is community-driven project. It was the ultimate fairness in the space. No pre-allocation coins, no pre-distribution coins. It was pure for the people. Okay, this is why I love Kaspa, and obviously is way more scalable than Cardano, even with the Ghost Tag protocol. With Rustlang and also with the Dark Knight, it's not gonna be in a comparable level. Okay, it's not even be close. It's faster, cheaper than Cardano, and with the Dark Knight and Rustlang, Kaspa, it won't be even in a comparable level to actually make a comparison Kaspa with Cardano, because it's going to be funny. It's going to be ridiculous to actually compare Kaspa not only with Cardano but with anything else. Okay, even with the Ghost Tag, right now some layer ones trying to compete to say we are in this a little bit better or something like that. But the only true lemma solver here is Kaspa. In a very few Kaspa, it won't be in a comparison level, in nothing, not even in a scalability. That's what I would like to tell you. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Let me know down below in the comment section if you have any question. Also, if you are looking to how to store your Kaspa, guys, I prefer Tazem wallet over the others. Okay, it's not a sponsor video. It's something that I personally use. I personally chose Tazem wallet over the others. I had Ledger back in the days, but after this seed phrase thing that happened, I immediately changed and I did my investigation to find the next best cold storage for me, and that's the Tazem wallet. And with the CryptoCrease discount code, you're gonna have 10% discount in your purchase, and or either you can click here the link and you're gonna have this discount code applied immediately. If you are interested to see where I buy from Mixi guys, and if you click here the link, you're gonna have some fees discount. Anyway, thank you so much for your support, for every like and every comment, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.